for this one, so we could keep track, it's Tuesday, June 25th. Now, there was some early downside that I got shook out of and didn't catch the move lower. There was a bottom here that a couple things lined up nicely. All right. First of all, there was a divergence with the Russell, which I'm going to show you in a second. But then right on the lows, there was aggressive selling. Couldn't get it to go down. You couple those two and you have the opportunity for a bottom. Now let me play it. The footprint, as you guys know, you see a green, which is some aggressive buying that comes in. Now she comes in, when I say she, you might hear
1/2
female voice selling 1/2. All right. And it clicks up, but then comes right back down because it's a little noisy. And right at 1 even, it was right there. Sellers, and it can't even budge lower.
1 even, 1 even, 1 even, 1 even, 1 even.
And it's a nice, quick, not super quick, but opportunity to say this could be the lows, at least temporarily. It wasn't the lows forever, but it was the lows for about 4 or 5 points. And it pretty much shot straight up. Again, stuck a little bit here at 42 even. When I say stuck, selling and it doesn't go down. Selling and it doesn't go down. Now let me pause this. And let me close this chart or shrink it. And have you understand what I mean about a divergence. All right. Because this happened in the Russell. And this is a chart in the upper left of the ES, as you guys know. Right here, you could see the bottom and the pop on a candlestick. That's or on the bar chart, correct? That's what it looks like. They make lower lows right there. Follow my cursor. And then that's where you've seen her get stuck at 41 even and 42 even, and you got the pop. What's the Russell doing at that time? S&Ps make lower lows. Let's go to that time in the Russell. Take a look at this sequence here, and I've got to illustrate it. This low here at 841 is this low right there in the ES. Those two yellow shades are done at the same time. Well, then take a look at this circle. This is a lower low there in the ES. Look where this low is at the same time. It's a higher low. It's not even really that close to that low. Sure, it could catch up and drive lower, but it's an intermarket divergence. And it called this pop when you also overlap it with sellers that are stuck and reading the flow that way. Like that, Tom? That was pretty good.
Yeah.
All right. So I paused the recording and I restarted to show you the second half of this highlight. And let me fast forward it. I'm just going to show you a quick stuck right away, stuck buying. The price was $38.75. The market grabs a bid and I think rallies close to the top of this range. Here they go. But let me pause it a second. On the way back down, watch 38. I want to do it in real time. This is normal speed. Look on the right-hand side. The market rallies up in here. Listen to him. Listen to the audio. Male voice, bullish. It already got through this green here. So it's a little suspect that it's going to bounce on this retracement. Rally, retracement. I think that was it, but you didn't hear him. We heard him when it happened real time. And didn't even budge to go 38.75 bid. Because it was on the way down, and I had said, got through this green, got to take your horns off. and it was a quick imbalance 38.75, and it was just like that 38.5 offer, which just validates. Oh no, it was 38.25. It was right here. Do you see how quick that is? He goes 38.25 aggressive buying, and before you know it, it's 38 even offer. No chance. If you're bearish, that should get you short. If you're bullish, that should take your hand off the mouse. If you're long, that should get you the heck out. And there's no coincidence it comes back there and uses it as overhead resistance.
8 even. 8 even.
8 even. 8 even.
Then they're fighting over 38 even, but it returns back to the downside. That's ring order flow 101, 102, and 103.